What a wonderful day!
Hello.
The red shark car is driving fast on the road, while the purple shark car is eating bananas by the roadside. Hey!
Hey, you.
The purple shark car invites its friend to share the bananas.
Woo! I like it. Nice.
The two little cars happily eat bananas together beside the road.
It's amazing. What is this?
After eating, the baby cars casually throw the banana peels onto the road. Just then, a dump truck carrying cargo drives by. It rolls over a banana peel, suddenly slips out of control, crashes into a streetlight, and drops all its cargo everywhere.
What happened? Oh my god!
Hearing the loud crash, the baby shark cars get very scared. They quickly run to the garage and ask the construction vehicle team for help.
Open. What happened? Hey, you. Come here.
Crane truck.
Okay, let's go.
Clamshell excavator.
Transformation! Who is next? Woo!
Tow truck.
It's my time. Nice.
The grapple excavator carefully picks up the fallen cargo and places it neatly together.
Cool. Yay!
The purple shark car also helps out.
What's next?
The crane truck lifts the injured dump truck onto a tow truck, and the tow truck takes it to the repair shop.
Let's go.
The crane truck also removes the broken streetlight. Now it's time for repairs. The workers install new tires,
Amazing.
pull the dented body back into shape,
Yeah.
and straighten the side mirrors.
What is this? I got it.
Then they repaint
What's
the
next?
scratches and polish everything smooth.
It's amazing.
The dump truck is repaired at last.
Wow. Let's go.
A brand new streetlight is installed. The baby shark cars pick up the banana peels from the road and throw them into the trash can.
Very nice.
The dump truck gently reminds them, never throw fruit peels onto the road. It can cause dangerous accidents.
I got it.
The baby shark cars realize their mistake. Then they kindly share bananas with the dump truck together.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.